Yo. She said me just do my mouth. I grudgeful and I want me pay my rent. I should just see me do my lip them and she know me not have the landlord money. You know how much money I pay for blow up my lip them? She come talk about me a pray upon her about downfall with her red eye. No call me name. My lip them hurt me. I just inject them.
You took out all the pork.
Which pork? The ribs? I want ribs me take. Do not tell a lie upon me. My mouth hurt me.
Yeah, you took them out.
I want ribs me take, Tamala.
I'm talking about the pork.
The pig's tail? A pig's tail.
Yes, that.
Out of the rice and peas?
Yes.
Fry one egg in there and put like act like a pig's tail and fry rice.
Do that.
I'm gonna get them blow up. Big lips is in. I'm gonna do my lip them, dog. Sister, I'm gonna do my lip them. I should see me hide from the landlord. I boom flick, me have to boom flick and pass him house and come upstairs. Cause I just go use my rent money and do my lip and she just want me make nice. I come talk about me a pray upon her downfall. I would talk some, she look, she am a little girl, you know. DM me, DM me. DM me. Big lips is in. Big lips, dog. Oprah, what you mean? And I do this and I do what? I'm a rent money me use. I forgot just live out that month free. Or I'm just use my security and call it a day and then we work out something next month. Simple. The way me I go pay security 5, me can't use it 1 month when I have my rent. Like that's bullshit. You have to just, if me have to choose between my lip and my rent, I choose my lip. I chose my lips. I choose, I know I can't live by my lip, but landlord have to just work with it. So Marla not done the rice. Zeke, you like my big lip? No, you're gonna like my big lip, man. I know you're gonna like my big lip. I know you're gonna like my big lip. What a thing with me not tell a lie, China stress me. Look how them want get wasted, go down like the Twin Tower. Mighty Jesus. Marla! Leave the clutter rice to me.
Mom, we don't live in a mansion. Why are you screaming?
Disrespect her, you know. I late for my rent this month, sister. Murphy, I choose my lip them over my rent. Today I was the 3rd and my rent not pay yet. Now I'm I pay already. $2,200 war rough something for pay in America. And people don't understand so my life hard like the ground when me walk pan in and me one and God, you know. Oh. So right now, me I pass one place and them say your lip can like this. So here what go on. Me not pay she man, you know. Cause my lip hurt me. I see what she bad mind. Bad mind get the best of she. So, me choose for do my lip them. I choose me. Me tired for parents, so me choose me 1 month.
I said it.
Me choose this.
Draco.
That me choose. Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy me choose. So here we go on. You must just understand and know, say, a 3-way me pay coming here. You understand me? And you must just use one of the way them and cover for the way, yeah. 3-way. So dog, use one of the way them and cover for the way, yeah. Next month, we'll work out something, dog. I wait name the time. Wait name. A recession time in a. Yeah. Kima, you want to join this live, yeah? Live, you want live. A recession time. So I choose my lip them. You must just understand what the sense me I pay a 3-way rent if 1 month you have rent. Then what's the sense of you paying 3-way? No, me not pretend. My landlord not do that. My landlord not do that. A gated community me live in a. Gated community me live in a. My landlord not do that me love. Them people me just act rich. Me not have it. Me don't know my couple people them community for. Yo brother, Gucci down. I'm just do my Gucci tattoo I can't move. Oh, them for talk to me. Landlord, you have to go sit down. Me have Gucci tattoo on my lip, them well do. Landlord, you have to just understand.
So you can't bring me go where do you lick them? I lick them one do too.
Catch me off the ear. Me can't too load up my thing. People always say me like to give too much information. Them say everybody else, so them ask everything me post. Me give them information. They never know about the stocking when me turn in a tap. Them say me chat too much. Me I give her too much information bag.
I
That's
like.
why they must talk over China and can't come. Cause me no know, me just head just to hurt me right now. Right now, me I tell you this.
What, Vanessa?
Right? Lex, you know, you idiot. Yeah. Click the doll. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, go you link the dial. You want you use the app?
No, me I didn't do that about. No. It's not like that doll there. Now get my blood clot friend started. 8, 9, and 10 that one day. Leave my good friend. Matter about him good wife. Leave him alone. This Paula, them like, Paula say, I don't understand what you know. Your landlord has tell him house, can't live free. You can't bother with them waste train business. There be things that go on in China like my little business. You can't bother ya, man. Why out of ever you know what the problem? China yam too much dog and rat and ass and beer. Like, why them constitution so strong? Like, how can you eat stuff like that? Mighty Jesus.
At the back. Them say at the back the sickness come from.
Them name the bat, the kangaroo, the bear, them name the dragon, them name the tiger, them eat everything. Them two start eat human.
But I don't understand how Jamaicans are follow everybody and everything, but yet still man them don't want to eat pum pum. The one that shock you up here?
If you never come with something and you talk about my yesterday and back to the you come with pum pum. If them that eat pum pum, the virus who they about, although some girl have gone in a baggie. Some girl have gone in a baggie and shot people in and kill people in and shot them, you know. But better them did that to that. Out of everything you go come with this.
Mm-hmm. Them eat everything and them don't want to eat
they do eat about
thing from that land.
What? My lip hurt me take time with me because I just do it. What are they? Mama straighten it. Where's it? Mighty Jesus. Me know them eat the baby mice. Me never know them eat abortion baby.
What? Who said that? Them eat that down in China?
Me not tell a lie. Me that go in the summer. Me not about to go. What's Michelle, my friend, Yankee Michelle, she sent me one video with the people them at the hotel, the brush for them use and clean the toilet. I eat them use and wash out the glass them. I'm putting at the hotel. The towel them use it and clean down everywhere and wipe the floor. Right? Me I go eat Chinese food. Me not stop eat Chinese food, but I Philippe Chow. Me can't sue them because them rich. So my kids them can't get me inheritance.
So Shamar, me never got at the place. They can't bring me go. They can't bring me to Philippine chow. Me never eat at them nice place they eat, you know. Me not live no life.
You're not living no.
Me not live no life.
Remember if you come on my private dinner and come. Yeah, like butter, rat, and matter, stat when me used to go to school. Where you say rat, mat, stat, clot, sack, bat. I'll then them name to blood clot things out of my reading book China I eat. I never see this yet.
Go Japan is pretty. So then it's not the same thing them I eat. Eh?
Not I'm husband, come on. I picked up myself. Mikey good life. Mikey, you know you do my lip for?
Shamar, don't do the lip you like problem, you see?
Yeah, you do my lip for. I tell me not paying rent. Lip I do it. Me pass one place. Cause them say surgery addictive, you know. And me just stop her right now. Me I hide from my landlord. Right now, me have to dress in black and put one veil over my face. and come in my house if my landlord ever see me for that $2,200 there. Oh? I mean, I talk say $2,200 like how some girls in life and them rent and live with a roommate and live and pay a separate room. I talk about me and my 2 kids them live. Well, Jayana really live here. Jayana really live here. Me not talk about the hot girl them but they for Instagram and live and have a roommate and pay for room. Like me want actually pay for $2,200. Watch her, watch her, watch her, watch her, watch her. Watch I want you do that, Kima. I want me.
Yeah?
Why you do that?
I get ready for that at the airport.
You still there, California?
Yeah.
Kima, you have to go get wasted and come make me do your body contour and fat freeze. You put on too much weight, dog.
Too much weight. I put on too much weight.
Happy weight. My happy weight.
Hey, man. Get the boy out of my life.
Murphy. Murphy. I can't go get wasted by Shamar.
Girl. So, I want to do my lip too.